Hey, this is Lacey and Drew. We just came out of the Senior Center in Greensboro. It's a public senior center, open to anyone over the age of 55, I believe. They have all kinds of great activities going on there. The people in there love to tell us about the things they do there and how busy they stay just doing the things they have there, whether it's like creating artwork or taking different classes. They have a gym in there and they do exercise classes, and they hang out with their friends. It's really fun, actually. I kind of wish I was retired. But anyway, we really enjoy going there. We go every other month and teach a class about using essential oils and the other products we have for better health. Today we had a Live Long and Prosper class, which was great. And we talked a lot about supplementation and how important that is. And also about the oils, of course, and how one of the little things they can do, some of the little things they can do to improve their quality of life with replacing products that they have in their homes with natural things.
And we had a retired professor in there.
We did have a
that
retired
was
professor.
like telling us everything. It was pretty fun.
He was teaching a class. It was amazing. He was great. He's like, and you know why this is. So I try to, I wouldn't say dumb it down, but I try to keep it real simple for everyone.
Simple and
days.
loud.
Just to make sure. It's actually a big group. We had about 30 people in there today, so not even just because somebody might be hard of hearing, but because it's a large group, I have to speak over them all because they might communicate amongst themselves a little. Anyway, so this one fellow, he was very eager, sat on the front row, and really had valid points to add in, things that I generally overlook because it's just one added layer of complex information that I don't want to confuse people with. But it was great. He was fun, and so was the whole group. It's always really entertaining because some of them have experience with essential oils. Some of them have been using oils for a really long time, so they have a lot of really great things to bring up. And then some of them have, very basic questions, which most people do about, them working together. If you mix them, will they blow up? All these different things.
I feel like they don't hold back on asking their questions either. Like,
no,
they will ask any question. They don't care.
No, it's basically the class is answering questions because there's no time for me to actually just teach a class like a normal one. It's just a matter, yes, your question, and then that will lead, they just lead me through a regular class basically by asking their questions, which is really fun because it's very interactive, and that's how I like my classes to be anyways.
That Alton guy, he had he wanted to add to our wellness pyramid. Did you see that?
Yes. Oh, I heard him say this, and it was so beautiful. Yeah. And it's something that I've at least been spending a lot of time considering and thinking about how it is such an integral part of our health. But I heard him telling Drew, he's like, and research shows that actually community connection is a really integral part of your health and wellness. And I just thought it's just so beautiful because I feel like it really does need to be added to the pyramid.
He had actually written it in the pyramid. He's like, I just wanted to show you this because you really need to know this too.
He's right too. And I'll tell you, it was a lively bunch, but everyone left feeling pretty connected to one another. And that's something that you just can't get in an online course. You can't get over the phone even. It's just such a fun thing to be a part of. But
was that you that was telling me that's why human brains are so big?
Yeah. So human brains have developed to be larger than any other primate because in the primate community there's only about 30 tops. But in a human community, we've developed our brains to be able to have a capacity for, I think there's specific numbers like 151 or something like that. People, 56 maybe, that you can actually remember details about them and have as a part of your community in a meaningful way. So beyond that, you don't have capacity to literal brain space to hold information about more than that many people. But that's why our brains are so huge. And if you don't use your brain for that, then it's empty and you can deal with all kinds of different health issues as a result. So yeah, it's a really interesting tidbit that I think is an element of our health that we don't often consider, but definitely a huge passion of Drew and ours to get people to be together in community.
And Lacey's other passion is to make me want to work with seniors. So this is like the first step because I'm not going to the retirement home, but I'll go to the senior center. They're a little more lively.
He has a thing. He thinks that
it's like they're waiting to die at the other places. It scares me.
True. I can't believe you'd say that to people.
I feel that way. I mean, it's like a little internal thing. I think it's me being afraid of mortality. I'm working on it. I'm going to the senior center.
And I love old people because old people tell the best stories, and I can sit and listen and interrogate old people all day long.
That's true. They do tell good stories.
Anyway, all right. That's it.